In this video, I'll show you how to add roles on Discord. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. So the first thing you need to do is go onto the server of which you want to go and add roles to, and you'll need to make sure you have the correct permissions or own the server in order to go and add roles as well. So all you want to do is go onto the server, make sure it's selected, I'm on the tutorial server, and then you need to go and tap on the name in the top left and you'll get this list of options, and you need to go and tap on server settings. Once you're in server settings, come over to the left hand side and you need to go and tap on roles. Now at the moment I haven't got any roles in this server, so things will look slightly different to yours possibly. All you want to do is go and tap on create role, just like so, and then we can go and get into this. On this left hand list here, you'll see all the different roles, and let's go and name this new one. So I'm going to go and create an admin role just so I can have a few admins on my server. So I'm going to go and name it admin, and for the color, I'm going to go and choose this green here. Of course, it can literally be anything. Then scroll down and you can go and add an image if you like. I'm not going to. But now you've got a few settings down here. Firstly, you can go and choose if you want to go and display role members separately from online members. This will basically go and create a separate list on the menus list, which I think is really cool. And I'm going to leave these here. Now these are just purely display settings. These aren't actual sort of functional settings. Then you want to go and get to permissions, and this is where you're going to choose what permissions the person with this role is going to have. So this is quite important, because if you go and give somebody permissions from the wrong role, then that could really damage your server because people could go and destroy it basically. So for an admin, this is people I trust a lot, so I want to make sure they can manage channels and manage roles, and I'm going to turn a lot of this stuff on. But as I said before, you need to really go and choose what permissions you want depending on the type of role it is. If it's just like a general member role, then you probably don't want to give them many permissions at all, because otherwise they can really go and kick and troll people. So as I said before, it's really going to vary on the role you're creating. I am now happy with the permissions I've gone and given the admin role, so I'm going to go and tap on save changes just like so. Now I need to go and give people this role. So either you can go and tap on manage members inside of the role here, and you can go and add members, or alternatively what you can do is just go to your server, then you can come to this list on the right hand side and go and right click on users, and then go to the bottom and go and tap on roles, and then you can go and give them roles. So I could go and give my main account admin. Now what's going to happen is when this account comes online, what's going to happen is it's going to go and be in a separate list from the online list, because I went and selected that option, and now all the admins are going to appear in this list here, and all the other members are just going to appear online. It makes it easy for others trying to find an admin when they're online, so I really recommend doing that. And that's literally it, guys. And of course you can go and delete roles by going back to your server settings, just like so, coming to roles, clicking on these three dots here, and then you can go and delete it. And you can also go and remove roles from people as well, just as you added them. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.